Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Thursday, March 27th. Above normal temperatures are expected to continue today, but changes are on the way as a cold front builds in this afternoon and evening, hoping to kick off a cooler and unsettled pattern as we finish out the month of March. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today. Again, if you enjoyed yesterday, we got much of the same out there for you today. Only difference is going to be slightly cooler temperatures and a cold front swinging in this afternoon and evening. What that means for us is some increasing chances for some showers and thunderstorms, uptick in winds, and overall just that trend turning a cooler and unsettled pattern as we finish out the month of March and head into early April. And speaking of record warmth yesterday, we set records at all 5 of our climate sites. Pocatello at 75 tied the all-time record for the month of March, so certainly well above normal temperatures out there yesterday, and we hope you're able to get out there and enjoy it. And taking a quick look at satellite imagery for you this morning, mostly clear skies to start the day. Incoming cold frontal boundary still working through eastern Oregon and the northern Great Basin this morning. That'll get here by this afternoon and evening, helping to kick off some showers and thunderstorms. I'll be showing you the timing on those later in the presentation. And a look at the bigger picture for you guys. So strong low pressure system in the Northeast Pacific, slowly moving as it sends waves of moisture into Idaho over the coming days. So that'll be our main driver here for precipitation chances, helping to shift that higher pressure ridge that's been over us further east as moisture continues to stream in from the Pacific, helping to support some more daily precipitation chances across our region. And your weather outlook for the next 5 days. As you can see, we have widespread as far as chances for some showers and thunderstorms over the next several days. Bigger picture-wise is going to be those chances Thursday, Friday, Saturday, decreasing for Sunday ahead of our next system rolling in as we get into Monday. And here's a look at those 7-day precipitation forecast and type. So overall, we got a fairly warm air mass out there, so not expecting much in the way of snow here for anything today. Still looking at those chances this afternoon peaking, a little bit of a decrease overnight, picking up again for Friday afternoon and evening, dropping off during the overnight, and then picking up once more for Saturday into early Sunday. And that's when we're going to get that colder air settle again, supporting more rain and snow across some of our higher elevation mountain valleys during that time frame. And then as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week, a much more organized system looks to move in. That'll keep those daily precipitation chances going. And here's your latest snowpack updates. Overall, we're still continuing to see snowmelt across our lowest elevations. Snowmelt here on the right shows where we're expecting snowmelt to occur yesterday and over the next couple of days, highlighting again those lower elevations, but also some of our mid-slopes, certainly well above normal temperatures, leading to some river rises. And that's reflected here on the Portneuf at Pocatello and Topaz. Still seeing those continuing to climb up to near action stage over the coming days. And we did see the Silver Creek near Peekaboo. It's crested at about 8 feet, and that's starting to come back down slightly as we head into this morning. And temperatures out there for you today. It'll be another beautiful afternoon. Mild morning as you head further south, but still 30s and 40s across the board. Afternoon highs in the 50s, 60s, and low 70s. And wind gusts for you today. It's going to be a slight uptick in winds. We're going to see winds out of the southwest, gusts about 25 to 35 miles an hour. And here's a look at the SPC Day 1 outlook and the HREF model probability of thunder. So we do have about 10 to 30% chance across our entire area of some thunderstorms. Lesser chances as you head across the furthest southeast corner. And kind of taking a look at timing here. Got the NAM model on the left, HER on the right. Really dry conditions out there this morning. This starts us off at 6 a.m. Times here are in Zulu. Just subtract 6 to get local time. But with that, some isolated showers are shown here on the NAM building in this morning. HER doesn't have that as much, but most of the activity where these models do come into agreement on is in this afternoon and evening as that cold front continues to shift east, supporting those lines of showers and thunderstorms to develop. Main concern with those thunderstorms out there today is going to center around gusty winds, maybe some small hail and moderate rain at times, but certainly windy out of some of these cells as they work overhead. But into tonight, into the overnight hours, not expecting much activity to continue, but as that next round builds in for tomorrow afternoon, another uptick in showers and thunderstorm chances. Again, kind of that hit or miss type nature, very showery precipitation here over the coming days. And heading into your Friday, noticeably cooler day out there, more near normal temperatures across our region. 20s and 30s to start things off for your Friday. Afternoon highs in the 40s and 50s. And wind gusts on your Friday, again, keeping with that breezy wind trend, we'll see gusts still hanging out about 20 to 35 miles an hour. Strongest across the Snake River Plain. And day 2 for your Friday, again, those chances for thunderstorms do continue across our entire area, keeping that active weather trend. And for your Saturday, another cool morning with the lows in the 20s and 30s, afternoon highs in the 40s and 50s. Again, that cooler air mass, especially in the morning there, might be sporting some snow showers on the back end of some of this precipitation, but certainly by the afternoon, well above freezing temperatures are expected. And wind gusts for you on your Saturday. Overall, we're not expecting too big of a change there in wind. Just keep it with some generally breezy conditions. And day 3 outlook again highlights that general thunderstorms across our entire area again for Saturday. So heightening that trend again just over some generally unsettled conditions as we head into the weekend. And for Sunday, this looks like it's going to be the coolest morning to finish out the week. Teens, 20s, and 30s. Afternoon highs still rebounding into those 40s and 50s. And wind gusts on your Sunday, still seeing gusts about 20 to 30 miles an hour. And for your Monday, keep it with temperatures. We're going to stay very consistent once we get this cooler pattern in place. So overall temperatures near or below freezing, afternoon highs in the 40s and 50s each and every day. And wind gusts on Monday will ramp up as we get our next more organized system moving in. Wind gusts about 30 to 45 miles an hour. And to look at what's to come, not that I need to tell you, but there's that near normal to below normal temperature trend that'll be returning with us as we head into the first couple days of April. Overall, more active pattern is setting up over the Pacific Northwest, and that'll help lead into some more systems building into eastern Idaho. Precipitation outlook during that same time frame highlights that above normal likely favored precipitation across much of the western United States. 8 to 14, little change there. Still seeing that below normal favored temperature trend as we head into April 3rd through the 9th. So if you enjoyed the warmer temperatures out there, some cooler, more seasonable temperatures are expected as we finish out this month into April. 8 to 14 keeps us generally unsettled in that pattern, but overall, still seeing daily precipitation chances continuing through that time frame. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome Thursday.